मोहम्मद माजिद हुसैन जी। अरे
Honorable Speaker Sahab, I take the opportunity to speak on the Telangana Scheduled Caste Rationalization of Reservation Bill 2025. Though the genesis of this issue dates back to the mid-1980s, it was in 1994 that the demand was raised for the first time in the United AP. However, there was no progress and the issue remained alive after the beautification of AP and formation of the Telangana state in June 2014. Despite attempts by the both AP and Telangana governments to seek central intervention in enacting a law for categorization of SC reservation in both the states over the last 1 decade, no progress could be made due to the Supreme Court verdict on the issue. Things began to change when the Supreme Court in August 2024 delivered its judgment in Civil Appeal 2317 of 2011 in the case of State of Punjab and others versus Devendra Singh and others on subclassification of SCs, paving the way for the implementation of subcategorization of SC reservation across the country. As pointed out by the Chief Minister Revanth Reddy Sahab, the Telangana government promptly appointed the Cabinet Subcommittee chaired by Janab Uttam Kumar Reddy Sahab to make recommendations on the way forward in the matter. Subsequently, in October 2024, the government appointed the one-man commission headed by Justice Shamim Akhtar to make its recommendation on the implementation of categorization or subclassifications of SCs into different groups. The Commission submitted its report on 3rd February 2025. The Commission made 4 major recommendations, including categorization of SC groups into 3 groups, namely Group 1, 2 and 3. The Commission recommended inclusion of 15 SC committees with a population of 3.29% of SC population in Group 1 with 1% reservation, 18 SC committees with SC population of 62.75% in Group 2 with 9% reservation, and 26 SC committees with SC population of 33.96% in Group 3 with 5% reservation. The total quantum of reservation is pegged at 15% for the SC 59 communities in the state. The Commission relied on the SC population data from the census 2011, though it was expected that the data would be culled from the caste survey taken up by the Telangana government. I may recall that the Congress in its Chevella SC/ST declaration had promised to implement SC categorization and to raise the quantum of reservation to 18% for the SCs, proportionate to their share in the state population. The Chevella declaration has promised that the categorization will be implemented in categories A, B, C and D. However, the state government promptly accepted 3 of the 4 major recommendations of Shamim Akhtar Commission, including reservation ceiling of 15% and classification of subcaste into 3 groups. I may recall that the Congress has promised 18% reservation and a 4-way categorization in its party manifesto. It will be worthwhile to rely on the data from the caste survey and to rework the classification into 4 categories, sir, before implementing the reservation for the SCs in subcategories. In this backdrop, I would request the government to introduce official amendment to the Telangana Scheduled Caste Rationalization of Reservation Bill 2025 for raising the quantum of reservation to 18% and for reorganizing these reservations into 4 groups and appropriating the 18% among these 4 groups instead of 15% among the 3 groups. Once again, sir, on the behalf of All India Majlis Ittehad al-Muslimin, I support the Telangana SC/ST Rationalization of Reservation Bill 2025 and urge the government to bring in the official amendment before the passage of the bill. I would request Honorable CM Saab to spell out the time frame as well.